When we created the video showing how easy it is to learn the names and locations of the 254 counties of Texas, our video editor, Matt, suggested that we've already created a lot of videos showing how effective this system is, but why don't we create a video showing why the system works so well? First of all, when we created the system, we took 2 years working with teachers from a school in Oklahoma, and those teachers gave us suggestions, feedback. We went through about 5 different versions of the system to get to where we have the system that you're using today. And we did not know it at the time, but the teachers were leading us through something called the multiple intelligences. There was a professor at Harvard, Howard Gardner, who spent several years studying the ways that students learn, and he determined that there's 7 different ways students learn. Our system uses 6 of those methods simultaneously so the students learn quicker and retain the information longer. In addition, we want the students to whisper as they click. We want them to whisper Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana. Going through the countries, when they say it, they hear it, they see it on the screen, the state or the country, the county, and they touch it with the mouse. So they're using 4 of their 5 senses as they go through this system. In addition, we turned the system into a game. It's not homework, it's a game that students play, and as you know, students love to play computer games. With our system, they race the clock. They get their adrenaline going. If they're going to beat the clock, they have to focus. They can't have outside interferences. They can't be distracted. They have to focus. We also give them a reward at every level by telling them, good job, you've done well. And the other reward is internal because they know that they have just learned 7 countries or counties or states or 7 pieces of information that they did not previously know. The mechanics of why it works is we present 7 questions at a time. 7 seems to be a magic number that people can learn, whether it's letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's 7 syllables or 7 numbers or 7 letters at a time. When the students click a correct button, that button disappears from the screen. So now there are only 6 buttons to choose from, and 5 and 4 and so forth. And it makes it easier to get through the system as well. As I mentioned, they get a reward at every level. It's not just a note that says you've done great. They also earn a smart every time they answer a question correctly. And if they beat the clock, they get more smarts the faster they beat the clock. We present the questions alphabetically, so if a student gets stuck as they're going through it, they get to North Carolina, North Dakota, and they wonder what comes next. North Carolina and North Dakota. They go through the alphabet. LMNO, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, and they're back on track. Then we present the questions in random order to reinforce what they've already learned. We also put colors onto the map of the states or the countries or the counties, so the students remember Vermont was yellow, Victoria in Texas County was yellow, Angelina was purple, and so forth. We really encourage you to use a mouse. When you use a mouse, you reinforce the kinesthetic multiple intelligence because you have wide swings. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, instead of just Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, and so forth with the touchpad. It's that easy to use our system. You've seen how effective it is, and now, thanks to Matt, we have kind of shown you as much as we can about why this system works so well. And if a person can learn the 254 counties of Texas in 16 days in my spare time, if they can do that, your students, your kids, your students can learn the names and locations of all 50 states, 175 countries of the world in 1 semester. So thanks to Matt for suggesting this video, and hope you all get in and work with the system to make the most of what we have to offer. So thank you for watching.